Hey folks, we're here and we're making soups, and we're fixing to make potato, ham, and cheese soup. So let's get to cooking. I've peeled about 5 potatoes and cubed them. And I'm going to take some chicken broth. We've got our potatoes in there. I've put the chicken stock, or you can use water, whichever one you want. I've got chopped up onion that I'm going to put in there. I've got ham. Celery. I've chopped these up the day before. Got celery in there. And carrots. The rest of it in there. We'll put probably a tablespoon of onion powder, pepper, garlic, and probably a tablespoon or half a teaspoon of salt. And we're going to cook it until the vegetables and potatoes get tender. Potato soup is done, and I'm going to add the cheese. I add about a cup of cheese. And just stir it around and let it melt. And you can leave it chunky like this, or you can use an immersion blender to make it a little smooth. I like it a little chunky, a little smooth. My son likes it smooth, so I want to plug in the blender and blend it a little bit. And then I'm going to serve it. I'll be cooking up some bacon, and I'll serve it with bacon bits and cheese on top when it's ready. And I'm going to puree this soup a little bit more. And it's cheesy, and it's still got a few chunks in there, and it's going to be delicious. So I hope you try this soup, and put your little cheese and bacon on top, and have cornbread with it. So I hope you like it. Thank you. God bless. Thank you for watching. Like this video if you've learned something. Subscribe to see more videos. Leave a comment on what you would like to learn.